Hello, hello. What are today's messages and what do we need to hear today? Let's pick some cards. Grass in the wind. I adapt to life like a blade of grass, blown by the wind and held firm by its roots. I change continuously while my core remains steadfast. I am adaptable. Self-sabotage, procrastination, negative self-talk, and fear of failure undermine your success. Overcoming resilience. Future, how exciting it is that the future holds versions of me doing extraordinary things I can't even imagine yet. Absolutely. I have the power to make decisions that serve my purpose. Yes, I hope you are. And the last card for today before we go to our quotes. You deserve to hold space for yourself. Yes, yes. And today's quotes today. Let's do this one. Where is there? Where is it? What do you want? And where are you going? Simple but deep. Their effort will show you the position they want in your life, not their words, promises, or intentions. Their effort. I go to work. I make my coworkers wonder what is wrong with me, and then I clock out. Don't waste your time on people who don't waste their time on you. And the last one today. You aren't doing it wrong if no one knows what you are doing. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.